So I just bought the cheapest SSD at my local store, and now I'm going to install it in my main desktop. How can this go wrong? Alright, so look, this is actually a serious question. SSD technology has improved by leaps and bounds in the past decade or so it's not difficult to find decent, low-cost products out there. But $25 is a new low for me. I mean, that's certifiably cheap. So let's see what happens when I install a budget SSD from a no-name brand in my main PC and try to install Windows 10 on it. So here's the drive itself. It's an Inland brand 240GB SATA 3 SSD. Now, Inland is Micro Center's own in-house brand, like Element or Scepter is to Walmart. Now, maybe that's a bad comparison because neither of those brands are all that great, but the point is that Inland is a store brand. The thing about SSDs though is that it's really the internals that make or break these things. So if it works well enough to be a reliable boot drive, then that's perfect. If not, well, I guess that makes this video actually interesting then. So let's just say things didn't go quite as well as I expected. It turns out that the SSD and the mounting bracket are perfectly matched, but Dell's stock hard drive holder blocks the SATA connector on the 2.5-inch drive. Then, during the Windows 10 installation process, it threw several errors, preventing me from choosing the SSD as an install location. In the end, it all eventually worked out, and Windows 10 is now running smoothly on my inexpensive SSDs, so no worries there. Where the concern really is now is with longevity. Let's hope this drive continues to operate smoothly for a while to come. Anyway, that's gonna do it for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, ciao!